Ranking the Sidemen's chicken brand. Since I've been out of the UK, the Sidemen have released their own food brand. Crispy coated boneless chicken box, salt and pepper barbecue wings, sweet and spicy chicken bites, onion rings, saucy barbecue cheese bites, cheddar cheese nuggets. Oh yes! Regular fried chicken with the sides chicken chop sauce. Sides hash brown onion rings. Barbecue cheesy bite. Sides ultimate barbecue on the original cheese bite. Sweet and spicy chicken. Not as spicy as the food I'm used to. We all need a break every now and then. Barbecue and onion chicken wings.